Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on your Snapchat account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start posting your stories. Now, from this page, in order to unblock any user that you have blocked previously, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, from this page, tap on the gear icon at the top right to end up within the settings menu. From the settings menu, if you scroll all the way down, you will find blocked users option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will find the list of all of the users that you have blocked on Snapchat. You can simply tap on the user that you want to unblock and you will find the unblock button as soon as you tap on it. Once you tap on unblock, this user will be unblocked on Snapchat. However, you will need to send a friend request or a follow request once again in order to become friends. And you can do this with as many profiles as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unblock someone on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.